We're going to work through the partial quotient strategy with the equation 65 divided by 4. So we're taking a total dividend of 65 and we're dividing that into groups of 4. So our dividend divided by our divisor. Let's set this up. So we put our dividend on the inside and our divisor on the outside. Now, we're trying to see how many groups of 4 we can make out of 65. So, instead of drawing circles and making groups of 4, I'm going to list my multiples of 4. It's a little easier than drawing all of these circles. So, my multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Those are my multiples of 4 up to the 10th multiple. 4 times 10 equals 40. Now, looking at my list of multiples, I want to see what number is going to get me the closest to 65 without going over 65. So from my list here, the number that's going to get me closest is going to be 40. So I'm going to take 40, which is how many groups of 4? 10 groups of 4. So 10 groups of 4. 4 times 10 is 40. Now I'm going to subtract 65 minus 40, and that's going to leave me with 25. Now, we're going to look at our list of multiples again and see how many more groups of 4 we can take out of 25. So the number that gets us the closest without going over. So when we look at our list, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 gets me close. 28 is too much. So we're going to use 24. And 24 is how many groups of 4? Well, when I look at my list, I can just count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 groups of 4. And then we subtract to see if we have any left. 5 minus 4 is 1, and that's it. So, can I take any more groups of 4 away from 1? Well, look at our list. The lowest number is 4. I can't take 4 away from 1, so that's how we know that we're done. So, in order to get our answer now, we're going to see how many groups of 4 were we able to make. Well, we made 10 groups of 4, and then we made 6 groups of 4. So altogether, we made 16 equal groups of 4. And then did we have any left over? Look at the bottom. We had 1 left over, so that's our remainder. So 65 divided by 4 is equal to a quotient of 16 with a remainder of 1.